I'm Tom Kehr, systems designer and trainer here with Exertis Almo. And with me today is Dan Baker, technical business development manager with LG Electronics. Well, Dan, LG is well known in the Pro AV space for things like professional displays, even transparent displays, DV LED, and even projectors. But this is different. The One Quicks are different. What makes these special, and why would I want one?
Well, what it is it's simple, right? These products are really meant to be all in one. You hang on the wall, camera, microphone, speaker, touchscreen, PC. It's all built in, so you don't have to do anything but use it, right? That's really what it's meant to do, right? We're talking video conferencing in small to medium sized rooms, and we have some business to consumer options and with the Flex unit. So it's really meant to just be an easy product.
Okay, and also the interactive display, it's an in-cell touchscreen. What
Mhm.
makes that different than a regular like overlay?
So on a lot of displays that you get out there with, with an overlay, like you said, it's infrared or PCAP, and they attach those to the display itself. So you'd go and buy an LG display, and you'd put an overlay around it, right? Or you'd buy it all in one with an overlay already attached from a different manufacturer. What that does is it adds depth and it adds weight. Instead of going that route for this product, what we've actually done is add in a film, a PCAP film to the back of the panel. So we don't need that extra glass surround. We don't need that overlay coming around the display to add that extra weight and extra depth to it. So, and it's actually more responsive. It's much more like your phone touch sensitivity.
Yeah, and also being much thinner, I can still place it on a wall, still be ADA compliant, which makes it nice.
Absolutely.
You want to show us a little bit about how that interface works?
Yeah, let me just share the screen here for you. So when you first start up the unit, you'll be presented with just a screen on the background. Now you can change this background screen to whatever you want, your logo, a happy picture of your family, whatever you want the background to be. That little arrow at the bottom, and now I'm touching this with my hands, guys. So, as you see the screen adjust, you're going to see me touching it. This gives you all of your options at the bottom. Now you can add or remove programs to this launcher bar however you see fit, so long as you're the administrator. But let's say if I want to pull up a Teams call or my Teams account while I'm inside of a Zoom call, which is what we're doing right now, it'll start to load up and bring up Teams. Let's say that I want to go in and go to Google Meet. So I can open up a Google Meet call if I wanted to. And now what you'll notice is we're actually running a full version of Chrome, which I think is really cool. Not a whole lot of display manufacturers in this space are running a full version that you can use and adjust. We've also got Microsoft Whiteboard, which we can go in and start drawing as we see fit. Now, mind you, I had my 3-year-old playing around, so we'll grab the thing, and you can see we're just gonna go ahead and move that around. So you have that whiteboard available to use. And let's say I need to bring up my calculator. That'll come up. I can go ahead and start typing in here and doing what I need to do. That's a really big number. Look at that. So now you can see I've got all these different windows open. I can move them around. I can drag and drop, and I'm all still inside of a call, right? Let's say I want to annotate. I can go in here and annotate using the video conferencing thing. So if I want to circle Microsoft Teams or this really big number over here, I can do that while I'm inside the call using it right from the screen itself. So it's really meant for this collaboration, workspace, and video conferencing solutions.
Very nice. I really like the way this works. All right, we'll dive more into the works and the flex in just a moment.